breaking update that's coming in right now from Karnataka, where we are given to understand that the showdown between the BJP and the Congress is escalating. This is, remember, about the Muda scam. And right now the BJP is protesting. Also, the BJP state president right now is speaking.
They had promised people of Karnataka that Karnataka में भ्रष्टाचार बिना भ्रष्टाचार आडಳಿत करेंगे, लेकिन एक ही साल में एक तो एसटी डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन का स्कैम जो हुआ है, करोड़ों रुपए उधर आंध्र प्रदेश में ट्रांसफर करके लोकसभा चुनाव में इस्तेमाल किया है, पैसा को लूट लिया है ये लोग। और दूसरा, मुख्यमंत्री जी के स्वक्षेत्र मैसूर में 5,000 करोड़ का स्कैम हुआ है। जो मैसूर लैंड स्कैम हुआ है 5,000 करोड़ का, चीफ मिनिस्टर को, सिद्धरामैया जी को ये सीबीआई जांच के लिए देना पड़ेगा। और खुद मुख्यमंत्री जी को हम डिमांड कर रहे हैं, सिद्धरामैया जी को तुरंत इस्तीफा देना पड़ेगा। ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಪೊಲೀಸರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ದಬ್ಬಾಳಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ದೂಷಿಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ। ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಆದೇಶದ ಮೇರೆಗೆ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಖಂಡರನ್ನ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ। ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೋರಾಟವನ್ನು ಹತ್ತಿಕ್ಕತಕ್ಕಂತ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ। ನಾನು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಆಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹೋರಾಟವನ್ನು ಹತ್ತಿಕ್ಕತಕ್ಕಂತ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ। ಇವತ್ತು ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ, ಇವತ್ತು ರಾಜ್ಯಾದ್ಯಂತ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ ಪ್ರಕರಣಗಳು ಹೊರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ। ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೇನು ಮೈಸೂರು ಚಲೋ ಶಾಂತಿಯುತವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಹತ್ತಿಕ್ಕತಕ್ಕಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ರಾಜ್ಯಾದ್ಯಂತ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹತ್ತಿದೆ, ಕಾರಣ ನೀವೇ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ।
ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಸಮರ್ಥಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈ ಪ್ರಕರಣ ಸಿಬಿಐ ವಹಿಸೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಸಿಎಂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ।
ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ನಾಗೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ। ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾಪದ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಿದೆ, ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಪಾಪದ ಕಡ ತುಂಬಿದೆ। ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಗೌರವವಾಗಿ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ, ತಡ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ। ಇವತ್ತು ದಲಿತರ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಲೂಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ದಲಿತರು ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ಮೀಸಲಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಏನು ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಜಮೀನುಗಳಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಲಪ್ಟಾಯಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಿ। ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಸಿಬಿಐ ತನಿಖೆ ಕೊಡಿ, ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಿ।
So we just heard BJP's B.Y. Vijendra there hitting out at the Siddaramaiah government. Neha's been tracking that story and she is also reporting live for us. Neha, good morning. We have seen a clear escalation as far as these charges are concerned, and the BJP making it very clear. We wanted a peaceful protest. Why are you arresting our leaders? Why are you packing them off in buses? Why are you so afraid of a CBI probe in the case? All right, not sure if Neha can hear me at this moment, but I'm told we can also connect with Deepak quickly. Deepak, a clear escalation as far as these charges are concerned. What happens in the next few hours?
Well, at this point in time, the BJP, of course, is unrelenting in their protest. They continue to maintain that, the chief minister should resign. They continue to, of course, here also say that as far as this entire scam is concerned, it has been orchestrated under the BJP. As far as the Congress is concerned, they say that this allocation of land that BJP keeps referring to has happened under the regime of the BJP and not under the Congress, and the chief minister has nothing to do with it, and it was merely land that was taken from his side, and in turn another piece of land was compensated by the BJP government. Today, this is a protest that's being planned in Mysuru, and as of now, the cops not allowing Karyakartas to go there. The multiple of them are being detained at various locations. We even saw police officials being stationed outside the leaders' residences as well earlier today, and now near the toll gate as well, quite a bit of a bandobast being put in place.
All right, so this is clearly an unrelenting BJP there, very, very belligerent, Deepak, considering that you have seen daggers drawn, whether it's the Valmiki scam, it's the Muda scam. There are multiple issues right now that the chief minister possibly could be finding it very difficult to tackle, Deepak.
Yes, we even saw the response coming in from the chief minister where he said that this was entirely a conspiracy being hatched against him because he is a two-time chief minister now from the OBC community, and that's the reason people are trying to target him is what he claimed, and he blamed the BJP for it. Even as of course the protests are breaking out over the Muda scam, we've seen, like you mentioned, it's not over the Valmiki board.
All right, Deepak, we'll track that story. Yes, thank you so much for getting us the latest, all those details that continue.